Hello kid. Well, what do you do when you receive a bouquet of beautiful flowers? You become happy, right? So, do you think flowers are only used during happiness? Not really. Flowers are used for expressing different kind of emotions like joy, happiness, togetherness and grief. So, all of these expressions can be done with the help of beautiful flowers. Now, what happens when you go up to your mother and give her a beautiful bouquet of flowers? She smiles at you and she becomes very happy, right? On getting this beautiful bouquet of flowers. But why do you think everyone, including the old, young and children, everybody love flowers? Why do you think they make people so much happy when they get it? It's because the flowers are very pretty. In fact, the flowers are the most beautiful and prettiest parts of any plant. They are colorful, beautiful, attractive, and when you look at them, you become happy. Now, what is this over here? This is the famous Sahara Desert, which is full of sand. But do you think Sahara Desert was always like this? Well, you will be surprised to know that once upon a time, the Sahara Desert was like this. It had got beautiful greenery and flowers in it. So, what do you think happened? Well, there was some climate changes because of which the temperature was high and it got dried up. So, what happened to these plants? Well, they all died. See, all of these plants died. Now, after these plants died, so there were no more flowers. Now, since there were no flowers, we did not get any more new plants. So, there were no future generation. So, Sahara Desert became like this. There were no more plants left and finally it had only sand. So, what did we understand by this story? Well, flower is the reproductive part of a plant. Flower is very important because from flowers we get new plants. Now look over here. What is this? Well, this is a beautiful palace which has the king and the queen. Now, whom do you find outside the palace? Well, you find the security guards who protect the palace and the people staying inside. Even when you go inside, you see the beautiful walls, door and different kinds of ceilings. Now, the palace has got different rooms. One is for the king. So, the king stays in his room. And another one for the queen. So, this is the queen's room. So, if you look at the palace has got different parts. Similarly, a flower is also like a beautiful palace. It has got different parts which are known as walls. So, the first part is the calyx. This is the outermost part of a flower. It's usually green in color. This is the calyx. After calyx, we have the corolla, the colorful parts of the flower. And within that, we have got the male reproductive part, which is known as the androecium. And then we have got the female reproductive part, the gynoecium. So I have a question for you. What is the name of the female reproductive part in a flower? Is it option 1 corolla, or option 2 gynoecium, or option 3 androecium? Let me tell you. Well, corolla is the colorful part of the plant. It is not a reproductive part. So corolla is a wrong option. Coming to androecium, androecium is the male reproductive part of a flower. So this is also the wrong option. So the correct option is gynoecium. Gynoecium is the female reproductive part of a flower. So this is a flower which is just like a beautiful palace, and these all are its parts, which are known as whorls. So what are the different whorls in a flower? First we have the calyx, which is the outermost part. Then we have the colorful part, which is known as corolla. Then we have got the male reproductive part known as androecium, and the female reproductive part, that is gynoecium. So now, my dear kid, you know why flowers are so much important. Not only they are pretty and beautiful and makes us so much happier, but also flowers are the reproductive parts of any plant. From flowers we get new plants. And what does a flower contain? Well, it has got 4 important parts, which are known as whorls. So what are the names of the whorls? Calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per ICC, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. More than 5,000 plus amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social studies. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubt. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So, at deltastep.com, learning is not only fun and easy but also rewarding. So register for free now.